These are wild birds. They come from the wild. My brothers put them in here because they're trying to fly. But the poor mom and dad trying to save them. Because they're trying to make it fly. And to help it.
Yeah.
But they need help. They need to fly. But that's the mom and dad over there. Right over there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Right there. But they need help to fly. So they go fly with their mom and dad. This one right there. Sleeping. These bones. Okay, the mom is gonna feed the babies. And the dad. Oh, we need help. Oh God. It's feeding it. They're just eating the carrots. Sorry, guys. These little birds need help. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and leave a like.